Imagine if 17 of your top keywords were front page of Google within only 3 months. What might that mean for your business? Stay tuned and find out more. Hey guys, Matt here from Tradie Web Guys, and I'm coming at you today with another case study for an electrical client of ours in the inner west of Sydney. Now, they are a residential electrical company and they specialize in the domestic space. And in only a few short months of having their website rebuilt and their SEO campaign up and running, they have achieved some great results in the digital marketing space. And today I'm going to run through a few of those key takeaways for you guys. First of all, to give you a bit of an understanding as to how the SEO process works, and more importantly, to give you an understanding of what's involved foundationally in order to get those results beyond purely just running marketing. Let me start at the beginning. When this company came to us, they were in a position where they wanted to grow. Part of their goal for the year was they wanted to develop strong assets that would enable them and facilitate the growth of the business. On a deep dive, it was uncovered that their goal was actually they wanted to improve their website, their search engine presence. They wanted to be more visible when it comes to search engines like Google and the like. The outcome initially for us was we need to make sure that their search engine optimization, or SEO, is up to scratch to improve their organic ranking. Of course, for that to happen, there were a few moving pieces that need to take part before that was going to become a reality, because their initial website was a bit of a disaster. Unlike a lot of agencies, our position really when it comes to marketing is we want to make sure that it's conversion first. So for that reason, we went ahead and we rebuilt their website in a lovely new WordPress platform. And we did that so that when we started generating traffic, it had a better chance of converting. So 3 months down the track, the website's been well and truly built, which took 30 days. The SEO campaign had been up and running for 3 months. And in that short period of time, they had some significant progress. That progress is important to understand, that from the purpose of a SEO campaign, it really is about moving your keyword positions higher and higher so that you're getting closer and closer to the front page and then the top positions on those front pages of search engines like Google. Because as they say, if you ever want to hide something, stick it on the second page of Google. So I'm just going to give you a quick snapshot at a Google Analytics view for this client's campaign, which at a glance in truth is not that impressive, but keep in mind that it is a very young campaign and there is a lot of room for movement and expansion from here and on. But very early in the campaign, it's important that the foundations are laid, and the progress that you can see we've made here is quite a steady curve. Now that's important because we want to make sure that things are sustainable, and you'll often see things that spike up and down. We don't really want to do that. It often lends itself to techniques such as black hat SEO, which is not really a good practice. So certainly not practice that we like to take over at Tradie Web Guys. So we were able to progressively move them forward month to month with things like their users, their sessions, page views, so on and so forth, which is a really good sustainable growth pattern. And tying into that, of course, is things like conversions. So again, we're really trying to dial in the conversion side of a campaign, because it's not necessarily always about more traffic. It's often about making sure that it's, in every case, about making sure that the traffic actually converts once it lands on the web page. So when they came to us, they had 0 sessions. There was 0 traffic to the website. And after only a few short months, they had well over 600 plus sessions, which is great. They're now holding top positions with some of their keywords, including some things in relation to CCTV, which is one of the services they offer. They've got over 349 of their keywords now listed in the SERPs, where they had 0 when they came to us. And their users are increasing month to month, which is fantastic. So although this is quite an early snapshot of a campaign, I just wanted to communicate to you guys what progress looks like And to give you a bit of an idea as to the time that it takes, and sometimes these things happen a lot faster and sometimes they don't. It really depends on a number of different variables. And some of those variables would be how competitive the space is, where you're located, and what are your services, plus many other things. So anyway, if you are looking at improving your organic traffic and your presence online to make your business more visible when potential customers are looking for it, let us know. Head across to tradiewebguys.com.au, fill in one of the forms and let's have a chat. We do this all day, every day for trade businesses. We only work with trade businesses. We know what we're doing and we'd love the chance to work with you. Look forward to chatting soon.